Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video. Today's hair is from SamsBeauty.com. If you guys haven't checked out SamsBeauty.com, you guys need to, because it's litty over there. You can pick up anything from synthetic hair to virgin Remi hair. Y'all, it is lit. So today's hair, I have this from UpScale. It's, like I said, it's a brand on Sam's Beauty. So I did go ahead and pick up their 613 hair. Yeah, so you guys see by the title, I am doing a split hair dye tutorial. So the best for me, especially when doing color, the best way to do split hair dye with two colors is with 613 hair. So the inches on this unit is 16. So that is definitely easy for you to create a bob because it's not too long or whatever. So you already have a guideline. So showing you guys the construction of the unit. Comes with the 3 combs and the 2 drawstrings, but we're gonna get right into this tutorial. So I'm just taking a knife and I'm using some 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘 hair gel. An easier method, well, an easier alternative to this would be the 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘 hair spray. It dries very quicker and it's just less work. I actually ran out, so I had to use the gel, but this just serves to protect the lace when dyeing the hair. If you don't, it's definitely going to stain your unit. Well, the lace part anyway. It's going to stain the lace, so you want to be sure that you are protecting the lace. And yeah, so I just use a gel to do that. You want to make sure it's on a hot heating setting so it can dry quick, because this does take a time. I'm not gonna lie, it does dry a little bit slow, but when it's done, you know it is hard and you can feel it and it's not sticky. So just test it and see if it's dry. If not, just keep on drying until it's dry. So I'm just showing you guys what the unit is going to look like before I actually alter it. So this is what she's looking like in this natural state. She's all pretty, but we're going to get her prettier. So yeah, today's hair dyes I'm using is Lavender from Adore, and I'm going in with Rose from Ion Brilliance. Now I do use another color, but I forget the name of it. Just check the description box because I do mix another color with that lavender. So first you're going to go ahead and section off your wig. You want to make sure you have 2 parts. Like I said, you're doing split dye. So you want to make it in the middle, well, closest to down the middle as you can, because, you know, my eyesight is a little off. So mine's a little crooked, but that's okay. That's okay. So the first color I'm going in is with the lavender. I did go ahead and spray the hair so it could be damp. I'll try to do that so I can save me some dye, but I just realized that I only have 1 bottle of the lavender, and I just realized as I was going on, the dye is a very thin consistency. It's very thin in consistency. Is that making sense? It's a thin consistency. It's a thin dye. So I noticed that it was not going to spread. It wasn't going to go the whole way, the whole head, if I kept doing the way I was doing it. So here you see me using the watercolor method. But this process is very, very tedious, so you do want to take your time. Y'all, it was very, very hard, to be honest, because normally when you do the watercolor method, you're saturating the whole unit, and I just wanted this section to do it. So I just noticed that I had to slow down, take my time, because, you know, I was trying to do it like Superwoman, and I ended up with purple on the other side of the wig that I didn't want to get, you know, purple. I wanted that side rose pink, but you live and you learn. So just take your time. Don't rush. It's a process. Just take your time. All right, guys, so this is what the hair looks like once I've covered it in its entirety with the lavender. Off camera, I did go in and fix up the sparse areas with the extra dye I had left because there was a lot of spots in between where I didn't get. So like I said, it's a tedious process. So whatever you don't get in there, just go ahead and use your hair dyeing brush and UV straight, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this side. So I'm just gonna do the same method that I was doing with in the beginning on the door, just with this Ion Brilliance dye. Now, notice with this dye is of a thicker consistency, so it was able to spread far. And I think I bought 4 boxes, but I only used 2. So wetting the hair and then applying the dye works this way, but I think it would have worked the other way too with the Adore Me hair dye. I mean, the Adore Me dye, but I just didn't have enough bottles, so either way would have worked. So yeah, so I'm gonna cover this entire unit with the hair dye and I'll be back. Okay, so for this portion, I'm using my toothbrush. This is a clean toothbrush, y'all. This is my hair dyeing toothbrush. This is just easier for me to get the roots of the hair without staining the lace, and it also properly ensures that I'm getting each and every strand. The hair dyeing brush, they are too big, so I always, use toothbrushes because I just feel like it just snatches the hairline. Okay, so this is actually what the hair looks like completed. I actually left this in for 2 hours and then rinsed it out. Yeah, so I rinsed it out. I used my 𝚘𝚎 shampoo and 𝚘𝚎 conditioner, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse her out after the 2 hours and then we'll be back. Good morning, guys. It's actually the next day. Just got back from Starbucks and got my little strawberry acai refresher on deck. Now we do have our caffeine popping and literally this morning. I love that drink. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. This is actually, like I said, the next morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her in. I did go ahead and trim up the ends just a little bit too because they were looking a little crazy. Also with this unit, with this lace, it's like a 613 wig, but the lace also came 613 if you know what I mean. So it's like that blonde texture, so I am gonna have to go ahead and cover that up with some foundation. If you guys are new, the method that I use is just the Got To Be Glue hairspray, and I just spray it around my edges. I just spray it around my hairline and then just layer down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back when we are finished. Alright guys, so this is what she's looking like on. I really like her. She's very pretty. I don't show the full process of me putting her in because you guys get my drift when it goes to that. Y'all see I was feeling myself, but I'm just showing you guys a quick way to install your hair like normal. But overall, the hair was amazing. I didn't have any problems with it shedding or tangling on me. The only time I got shedding was when I was cutting into the unit, to fit the ear tabs and whatnot. But overall, she is good in my book. Don't forget to check the description section below, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.